What are we going to talk about today? I want to talk about how to make your passion your business. I've been doing this for 8 years, so I truly know what I'm talking about, and I want to tell you how it all started and what I did to make my passion my business. What I did was that I had to realize what my passion was and is today. My passion today is to support you and help others to achieve and reach their full potential. That's what I'm all about now. But when I started, it started just as a passion to entertain, to make people glad. So the first question in this video is, what is your passion? Give yourself time to think about what is your passion. What are you passionate about? And if you're passionate about a lot of things, write everything down and do it now. If you've written down what you're passionate about, and if you have one thing, that's good. If you have 5 things, that's okay. I'm saying that's okay because you need to choose one thing to focus on. If you have 5 things that you're passionate about, you're a passionate person, that's cool. You need to choose one passion to go for. And what you're passionate about is not necessarily a big market for. You have to be aware of where your passion is on the market. And for me, supporting others is a big market for that. This is like $1 billion industries all over the world. If you're passionate about something that few people are interested in, it's harder for you to make it your business. But of course I believe that you can do anything, but not everything. You just need 1,000 people to watch you, to follow you, to buy what you're doing, and you have a business. So you just have to focus on just 1,000 people. We are so often think we need to have 1 million people. It's just 1,000 people that you need to attract to your passion, to you, so we can make a business. The next question is, how big is your passion's market? If people around you, people that you know, or people that you look up to are doing a really great job in that market, and that market is sustainable, it's definitely an opportunity for you. For me, I'm not focusing on the market. I just need to know how big the market is before I enter it. If there are not many people that are interested in what you're doing, your passion, maybe you have to change it to just your hobby, and then choose something else that you're passionate about that you can make business out of. The third question is understand. You need to understand what you can be the best in the world at. If you can understand that and it's your passion, you have a business. It's inevitable that you will make money out of it, that you will have business out of it. How big it is, it depends on many other things, but you definitely have a business if you're passionate about something and you know that you can be the best in the world at it. And it's understanding. You need to understand what you can be the best in the world at. It's not a goal. It's not like I'm gonna be the best basketball player in the world, and if I say that now as my goal, I need to understand that it's not possible for me, because it's not possible physically and also mentally for me, because I don't believe that I can be the best basketball player in the world. I've never practiced basketball. I've never been into basketball before. I don't know the rules. So I need to understand what I can be the best in the world at. It's my understanding that throughout the years I can help people to achieve their goals. I can help them to be the best version of themselves. I can support them to reach their full potential. So that's an understanding. So the third question is, what can you be the best in the world at? It took me many years to understand what I can be the best in the world at. If you haven't asked yourself this question before, the journey starts now to understand what you can be the best in the world at. When we have went through these questions, what are you passionate about? How big is my passion's market? And what can I be in the best in the world at? We can take a look at our X factor. What do we have that others don't have? If you want to make your passion your business, you need to know your X factor. What can you do better? It's so important to have our X factor, and we're constantly working on our X factor. It's not like we have one point in our life that we just got it. No. We need to be constantly developing ourselves. We need to be constantly growing and constantly developing our X factor. And it's okay if you don't have the answers here. Like I said before, it took me many years to answer these questions. It just starts here. The most important thing now is to be aware of these questions. Do it consistently and ask yourself these questions to get the answers. If you want to make your passion your business, you don't need to know that much about business. You need to know some things about business, but you don't need to know everything. You don't need to know about every little details. When I started, I didn't know anything. I went to the bank and I thought you can start a business in the bank. So that was my first step in the business. So you see, it's been 8 years since then, and I've learned so many things. And I promise you don't need to know every little detail about business before you start. But what you need to know, what problem you are solving. For example, myself, I am solving people's problem by helping them to reach their full potential. They may be stuck on some place, or they wanna go to the next level. I'm solving that. I can help you to go to the next level. That's the problem that I'm solving. We've been through a lot of questions. I believe it's so much about the right questions. If you have the right question, that can definitely lead you to build your business and make your passion your business. The most important thing for me is love what you do more than the outcome. Love what you do more than the outcome. I want to start from the inside. I want to start from what I love to do. And if I love what I do, I believe that it's inevitable that the outcome will be good. For example, if I'm passionate about creating content, I create content that I love to do. And it takes time to build a platform. It takes time to find the right audience. If people want to see what I've created, that's fine, that's great, but I'm focusing on creating content because I love to do it. That's the key takeaway. And also, add value. Constantly add value. Put value in, add value in, give your everything in what you're doing. Go all in. So yeah, that's how you make your passion your business. It starts with one single step, answering these questions. It starts with just one step at a time. And that step needs to be the right step for you. That's how we start. And you can start today, definitely. Thank you very much for watching this YouTube video. Please subscribe if you have already subscribed. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that you have been watching this video through. You are helping me to do what I love to do. You're helping me to make my passion my business. So thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.